to my channel. This is Klazzact. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you that have been part of the Classy Nation for a minute, hey girl, what's up, bro? How you guys doing today? I am getting ready to bring you guys the review on this beautiful unit that I am rocking, and we're getting ready to jump right into it. But before we do, you guys, let's get me to about 20 likes on this video. Y'all go ahead and hit that like button down below, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, what you waiting on? Just go ahead and do it. All right, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the review on this cute Afro unit. Yeah. All right, you guys, this review is a sponsored review by Haney Hair, a vendor from AliExpress. And I was sent this unit to review by them. And you guys, I reached for this particular unit, and I gotta be honest, when I got it, I was a little nervous about it because I chose this unit. They gave me options. I chose this unit because I wanted to do something different from what I usually wear. This is a I can't get my words out, a headband or half wig unit. It is really, so it's a hassle-free unit to install. No lace, no glue, no problem. You just put this on and go. You out the door. 5-minute install, you're done. And so, you guys, I just want to let you guys know the link to this unit will be listed down in the description box. I'm looking like I stepped out of the 70s and everything, and this baby is gorgeous. Now, I wanted to show you guys, even though this is a synthetic unit, you still can pick this out. All right, and I want to show y'all this because it will get high. All right, because I picked it out, and you're gonna get some fallout. Y'all already know that, but I picked this bad boy out. And because when I pulled it out the box, y'all, I was like nervous. And y'all see it's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. But I pat that bad boy down a little bit, and you still got your roundness on it. It's made pretty well. So although it's synthetic, hey, it's still working with you. And I like this unit. I really do. I didn't know how this was going to turn out. So I'm going to flip into something else. Let's see what kind of other look. With another top on and another headband. Let's see what kind of, let's just try something different on with this. Yeah. All right, so, okay, so here's another look with this unit that may work. I just took the same scarf that I had on and kind of wrapped it around the front. And just kind of did a little fancy loop in the front. There go my earring. But anyway, you could really rock this unit. You really could. I like it. I really like this. So when you're feeling this vibe, or you can do something definitely very casual with this look, it is absolutely a cute unit. And y'all already know I don't usually wear my headbands showing my hairline because my hairline is very thin. But those of you with thicker hairlines and who wear your headbands out, y'all can just push the unit back and wear it that way. So there you go. Yeah. There y'all go right there. Yeah, loving this. There you go. So that's it, you guys, for this video. I want to thank Haney Hair for reaching out to me and allowing me to review this hair for them. And I just want to say to you guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and for those of you that are stopping by who would like to subscribe, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. All right, you guys, that's it. Remember to stay safe out there, and remember to always be kind to one another. And again, I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care. I'll see you later. Bye.